Loaded with veggies for extra nutrients, but enjoy in moderation. A tasty treat with veggies can balance key. Eat wisely, check your health. Who said instant noodles have to be boring? Today I am turning a simple pack of Indomie into a colorful gourmet style meal loaded with crispy bacon, juicy sausage, fresh vegetables, olives, and crunchy chips. Every bite is packed with flavor. If you love easy recipes with a creative if you love easy recipes with a creative twist, you are in the right place. Let's make this delicious masterpiece together. This Indomie dear. So this is the spices here. Spices for our Indomie. And call ye mama, where dear, call ye mama. Le 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 la. So the Indomie is done. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, so the Indomie is done. I'll remove the water and throw it away. Okay. This is the Indomie now. Let's bring it here. The name is Bidina. What are doing? So the question is, what's next? Okay. The next is this. I have my tomatoes. I have my round onion, my carrots, my cucumber. So are you watching it? In a simple way, this is the simple way we are doing our Indomie. Okay, ayamido, where the ayamido, tanana, where medisika, where the better kumao, oh, sissy fiani bi, oh, sissy fiani bi. Check it personality. Oh, nama. I'm gonna say, hey, I couldn't die. I want to see you. I want to say, hey. Today we are doing in a simple way, in a local way, in creating my own ideas of Indomie. So we have our potatoes here. All right, do you see it? This is a bread, yeah, crunchy bread. Then I toast and I fry it in air fryer. And this is my potato. Are you here? So I also have a sliced fried potatoes here. Now this, if you eat, hey, do you know how you become biggie? Enjoy the vibe. I have my cheese, my cucumber, my olives. This is bacon. You see, this is bacon. So add the this is mayonnaise. This is mixed cream sauce. All right. You can see this is the Indomie, our bacon, our potatoes. You can see that we have different types of potatoes: mayonnaise, mustard, and cream sauce. Olives here, bacon is here, sliced onion. I have my crunchy bread toast. This we call it madness food. Madness food. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and a beautiful presentation. Let's get to it cooking. This Indomie, this I cannot eat. Oh, I can't eat.